Hi everyone, my name is Shreya and today I'm going to explain about application dependency maps in IBM Storage Defender Data Resiliency Service. In IBM Storage Defender Data Resiliency Service, we work with different types of resources like virtual machines, volumes, databases, and common application components such as application servers, database servers. These resources are dependent on each other to function correctly. At the recovery group level, we can have multiple VMs, volumes grouped together. An application can contain multiple recovery groups, and each represents specific layer of application, such as front end, back end, or database. During a disaster recovery scenario, it is not enough to just recover everything. The order of recovery is critical. For example, a database must be recovered before the application server that depends on it. If the order is wrong, then the application may fail even though all resources are up. To solve this, IBM Storage Defender introduced application dependency maps. A dependency map is graph representation that shows how applications and their components are connected and dependent on each other. This graph helps users to clearly understand what needs to be recovered first and what comes next. Now let me quickly walk you through the demo for application dependency maps. I have logged into the IBM Storage Defender, and on the left side, under grouping, I have selected applications. On the right, we have button to create dependency map. Here on the left panel, we can see all the applications are listed over here. And on the right side, we can create the dependency map. Here we have root applications and the branch applications. Root applications represent starting point of the dependency map. We can drag and drop the applications to create the dependency map. Now let me create a simple dependency map. I will add application 2 as a dependency over here. And I will also add application 3 as a dependency. We can also have multiple root applications. Let's say for application 2, we want application 1 and application 4 as a root application. Then we can create the link by clicking on this plus icon. We cannot have circular dependencies inside the dependency map because it will lead to the redundant recovery operations. If we want to remove an application from the dependency map, then we can click on three dots present over here. If we want to remove the application 2, then here the removal is not allowed because application 1 and 4 are dependent on it. And application 3 will also get affected if we remove an application 2. Now if we try to remove an application 3, then the removal is allowed because all the applications which are present before application 3 won't get affected. Now if I click on confirm, then I can remove an application from this dependency map. If we want to add the new application, then we can either drag and drop the application from the left panel, or we can click on these three dots and we can click on add a dependency. Let me add one more dependency in this dependency map. We can view dependencies for application and filter applications by priority by the filters on the top. Now let me click on save to save this dependency map. Now I will click on manage dependencies. Here we can see the dependency map that I just created. Thank you for watching the video.